We are writing the year 1986. Due to a bus crash in Sweden, the band Metallica lost their lead guitar player. After 2 years of recovery, the band was finally able to move on with a new, young and inspiring lead guitar player. His name was Marty Friedman. I'm Justin Hombach and welcome to the multiverse of shredness. You want to gain all the knowledge I have and want to see what happens in all the different dimensions? Then hit the subscribe button. Now let's continue with our journey of Marty Friedman being the lead guitar player for Metallica.